Hey, good morning, everybody. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice evening. This broadcast is for demonstration and educational purposes only. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please ask somebody. Consult with a licensed financial advisor. That's your best bet. There is a significant amount of risk when trading the financial markets. All right, good morning, everybody. I was just rolling over my contracts here. And re-enabling. So the results that I received from this overnight session was actually on the previous month's contracts. I just now rolled over. Let me just make sure. Nope, it actually didn't work. Last time I had to restart, if I remember correctly. Let's flatten everything. I'm going to go to Tools, Database Management, and I'm going to roll over. Select yes. We're going to go on the June contract months on the ES and NASDAQ. And they all are on June now. So what I'm going to do is very quickly restart my Ninja. Hope everybody had a nice evening. Bear with me here for just a moment. Good morning, Suzanne. Good morning, Jim. Good morning, Ed. The Dukester. The Dukester's in the house. Are you on the road, Duke? Okay. Things are firing back up. Let's see if we're on the right contract month. Hopefully this does it. Okay, now it looks like we're up on June. We'll take a quick look at where the volume is. Yesterday it was very close. And today I have a good feeling that it's time. Yeah, the majority, it's still close, but there is more volume on the June contract month. On the E-mini, it's 260 to 220. On the NASDAQ, it's 103 to 84. So it kind of flip-flopped from yesterday. So very important if you're trading the automated systems, or really if you're trading any charts today on the NASDAQ or E-mini, make sure if price doesn't look the same, It could be because we're on the June contract month and you're not. So you might want to just make sure at the top left hand corner of your charts that if you're on the E-mini or NASDAQ that it's reading June of 25, since that's the contract month I'm on. Good morning, doctor. Gold scalper 1570. Holy moly. Oh, wow. It's up and running early. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the Forex Factory. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. Oh, by the way, I meant to mention, if you're trying to get on our website, we're having some technical issues that Sergio's currently working on. So our website is currently down. We're hoping to have it restored as soon as possible, but we are aware of the issue, and I just wanted to make you aware of it. So today is Tuesday, March 18th. If you're with us today, that's the good news. Hallelujah, you're still in the game. And today at 8:30, we already had building permits, housing starts, import prices, capacity utilization rate, and the industrial production month over month at 9:15. That was a mouthful. A United States Postal Service worker was convicted of stealing 1.6 million in checks. Wow. Price indexes increased 0.4% in February. New residential construction. A little lower. It was revised down. So during our trading session, it looks like we don't really have anything to worry about. Australia, New Zealand, Australia. Okay. I think the coast is clear today. It would help if I enabled my strategies, huh? Let's take a look and see what the overall trading environment looks like from overnight. On the E-mini, here's midnight right here. It's been pretty flat. Not a heck of a lot of movement there. My gold got crushed. I was looking at my gold bot, and it's down 3,000. We'll keep an eye on it. It's just flying. It's amazing that gold is going up to $3,050 an ounce. My goodness. just incredible. The price of gold. All right. And if today's your first day joining us, I'm going to be showcasing the AI Auto Trader and the iBots. These are fully automated strategies that run on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. Once the strategies are enabled, it is a fully automated system. The system will execute the trades and manage the trades on your behalf. Let me put today's link in the Discord chat community. We've got a beautiful community on Discord. Very engaged members that all help one another on this trading journey that we're on. There's power in numbers. There's some great information. So what we do is we enable all the strategies and we let them run pre-market through the London Open, actually to start through the Asian Open late last night, right through the London Open early this morning, and now we're getting ready in 3 minutes for the New York Stock Exchange to open. And we have what we call our leaderboard. These are the bots that are thriving in the current trading environment. Yesterday we saw our 20 Unorenkos go to town. Today it's no different. Our 20 Unorenkos are crushing it. Our Haymaker came back and had a huge day yesterday, by the way. And we have one ES on the board, the ES8U. And those are our AI bots. Our iBots are going to kick in at 9:35. 9:35. 5 minutes after the market opens. What we do with that information is we get a trade copier, and we're able to copy these best performing bots across our live accounts or prop accounts. One way to do it is by using a trade copier, or you could just build a duplicate strategy and put your live account in that duplicate strategy. Every Wednesday at 12 noon Eastern Time, Charles does a live training session for our members in the Discord chat group. And he's able to assist and answer questions and do a live training session that are all recorded and memorialized. So let's get ready to rumble here. We're set up. Let's see what the 20 Unorenko did overnight. Big move down through the Asian session. We're on a downtrend. So our 20 Unorenko and our 30 range right now are aligned in trend. What I mean by that is market structure wise, our 50 EMA, you can see this thick line here is red. That's telling us that we're in a downtrend on the 20 Unorenko. Our 15 EMA, that's the moving average below the 50, the dotted line, is sloped down with a pretty significant slope to the downside. That's telling us the bears are fully in control of the market at the moment. Now the market just opened. Let's see if we fill in that gap. Our 20U just jumped in short. I don't see my 30 range taking any trades yet. Let's just keep an eye on it. Gold just jumped in long. Now what we do is we let the market settle down here for a few minutes. First couple of minutes you got the algos, the institutional money. Institutional traders are firing their algos off at the open. Get a little static. I want to keep my lag meter up here. Our Steven is in short. The Mack truck we see up top is red hot. That Mack truck is red hot. My 30 range isn't taking any trades yet. Let's see if we break through. NQ Smart Stop 2 is in short. Now the market doesn't like gaps, and overnight it did head down. So let's see if we fill in that gap to the upside. Maybe we keep pushing lower. Let's see. We don't want to fall for the old head fake here at the open. Let's give it some time. Okay, there. Now the 30 range just jumped. Hey, Jorge, good morning. Good morning, Uncle Spoons. Anka's in the house. Mandinga. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a retracement from the overnight session moving down. A big problem with this profit target is you can see we're below support. Ideally, we want a clear shot to our profit target. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see if we break. If we break through this, we're going to jump in short. Well, we're going to enable the strategy. All of these trades that you see are taken automated. I'm just timing out. I'm going to turn on my trade copier. I'm going to try to catch this down move to the second trade to the downside here. See if we get a little bit of a retracement and a continuation down. Let's try to catch this short. Jump. Go ahead. All right, let's see if we can get this one to go. Come on down. Come on down. Get my profit window. A little further. There we go. 250 or 500? 250 or 500? Push down. All right. Nice. Come on down. So I got my profit goal on my PA accounts. I got 395, 340, and 315. That one trade across 6 accounts, 1850, 1815. Caught a beautiful short. And it looks like I just passed, I did. I just passed an eval on that trade. So we just passed an eval. It's right back in short on that 30 range. I'm going to turn it off on my PAs, and it looks like I got funded on number 48. Now our iBots are going to get ready to kick in. I got to take off number 48. 48's funded. .48 just got funded, and the PAs we scored nicely on. So I'm working on 46 and 47. We're still in this trade on the Mack truck. The 20 Unorenco on the NASDAQ, red hot. Look at this thing go. Holy moly. That bot is up $4,000 on that move down. Everything jumped in. Our iBots are all in. Let's get on the iBot 1U. 1M, I'm sorry. And the 16U. Still in short. Giving us some heat on the 16U. We got a little bit of a retracement. Market got oversold, and price always wants to revert to the mean, the 50. Yeah, turn it off now, Raphael. That's it. You hit your profit goal. Good job. Excellent. Here goes gold. We like to practice capital preservation. If you have a profit goal of 500 or whatever it might be, and you reach it, what I always recommend doing is take the money and run. Don't put it back at risk. Any trade you ever take, you're going to put your money at risk. Look at that, full winner on gold. Look at this gold go. Look at gold. A monster. Full winner would be $1,000 on gold. Man, we're having a big sell-off. Holy moly. This 30 range is gone again. This is the 1 minute. The 1 minute iBot goes for a very ambitious profit target. The 20U is in on the IBOT as well. At IBOT 1 minute very quickly is up $1,500. Very quickly on that huge move down. The NQ30's in. That's a fun strategy to watch. Man, if this one catches the right entry. Which it didn't. So let's take a look at our leaderboard. Our 1 day pass hit on the 30 range. 30 range 1 day pass. Param Roop loves that strategy. I hope you got it, Param Roop. The Haymaker. I was just saying the Haymaker's on fire. Let me bring up my trade performance on that Haymaker. This week. What have you done for me lately? Look at the Haymaker. $5,000 for the week so far. $5,000. Haymaker's hot. Wow, Ron Nettles. Ron Nettles up 25,000 since yesterday at 6. Let me try to get back in the game on these other evals. Our iBots scored on that big move down. This one down here is the hot one. Let me go back to my velocity for a minute. When we get a nice move like that, whether it be to the upside or the downside, we're going to hit our profit target. The important thing is to just lock it in. Hit your profit goal and be done for the day. We'll do it again tomorrow, God willing. Let's see if we get a roll now. Our 30 range is right back in short. Our 20U is still below the 50. The 8U is riding it low, riding it down. On the E-mini, oh, here we go. Holy moly, did that thing take off. Let me check my lag. Wow, we got a good trading day here. I'm going to try to catch another 30 range here on those two evals. Pop in. Pop in short. We're in our profit window here on the 8U. Got a $2,000 trade going on this ES8U. This one hit our profit goal. Let's go to the iBot. Here we go. We're in. See if we can break through this area of support. Come on down. Ouch. Got our stop. Back in gold long. Here we go. We're short on the 30. Let's see if we can catch a runner here. Come on down. Come on down. I don't know. We might have reached a bottom here. It seems to be leveling off. See if it pushes lower. We break through that area of support. This thing could have some legs. Come on down. Come on down. We got a lot of volatility building up here. Let's see which way it pops. It's going to pop to the upside or downside here any minute. It looks like it's trying to push up. Come on down. Come on down. All right. Lost that one. Getting a retracement here. See, there's some buying pressure, but we don't have an alignment here. Let's pause it. Starting to get a bounce, a little bit of a retracement. Big move down. Paramount. I was hoping you caught that 30 range. Here we go. We're in long on the 30, but you know what? Our 20U is lined up short. So let's see if we can get this one to run for us. Got out on the exit on the line change. See if we catch a short roll now. IBOT's in on the E-mini. Oh, went long. Oh, good. It's off. Look at gold again. Let's try to catch a trade on gold. Getting a little choppy. Getting a little bit choppy. Still below the VWAP on the E-mini. Our trend is still bearish on both the 20U and the 30 range on the NASDAQ. This bot is in a counter trend position. That's our velocity. That's the Smart Stop 2 without the velocity filter. Now it's in agreement to the short side. The IBOT 24U is in short. That 24 Unirenko is a big bar. NQ30 range on the IBOT. Let's check that one out. That's a very exciting strategy, that 30 range. It's up 700 and it's already locked in some really nice profits, and now it's taking a shot at a home run. It's going for the gusto now. Breaks through there, we got some room. Here we go. It's pushing. Looks like it just broke. Come on down. Need a profit window. Wow, look at these profit targets. With this market trending, it really went for some ambitious profit targets. Oof. Yeah, I'm in on my 2 evals on a short. Mack Truck Drone Haymaker. 30 range on the AI system, the 1-day pass. These are our leading bots so far. The 1 minute NQ, let's check out the iBot on the NQ 1 minute. It's up $2,500. The Haymaker is just crushing it. Look at this Haymaker. It's in another beautiful position. Caught the retracement back to the 50 and the roll down. That was a great trade on gold, Ralph. Judy, we have a fix coming. Sergio's going to install it on my computer. We're going to be releasing an update to the iBots that's going to fix the freezing. Got a smart stop on that Haymaker just now. Man, that Haymaker's on fire. I'm going to trade that Haymaker for a few trades. Let's put it on the IBOT. NQ 1 minute. We're back short. The IBOT picks up from the stock market. It's looking at the uptick versus the downtick. And there's a huge disparity now between buyers and sellers. Let's see if we can break through this support. Here we go to the downside. Got a little bit of wiggle room now. This could go all the way. All the iBots jumped in short. 20U, 16U, 24U, 30 range. All the bots on the iBot system are in a short position on the NASDAQ and the E-mini across the board. So they're all picking up heavy selling from the stock market. Gold is firing away. Man, we're in trouble on this short move. We need a big push down, quick. Oops. Sorry about that. It's giving us the old stutter step. The old 1-2. And gold is off to the races again. Let's break through this. Let's break through. All right, in the window. All the way. Oh. Oh, so close. Come on down. Don't be shy. Let's go. Big push. Woo! 29.70 on the 1 minute iBot. Nice. '24U iBot is up 23.90. I bought ES30 range on the E-mini is also in short. So these iBots are going to town today. Putting up some big, huge numbers. Try to get on a 16U. iBot 24U. All right, if you'll excuse me for just a second. Here comes a haymaker entry. That's the haymaker. You see that cross come out? Nope. Sooner or later, we're going to get a pop to the upside here, I think. Here we go. Here we go short on the haymaker. Our 50 is yellow. Might red. That popped us into that haymaker for sure. Let's go to the haymaker. And here we go. Come on down. Come on down. Yes, Ralph. Yeah, we're going to have accounts that you go right to funded. On the ES, we're looking at a 30 range bar. Our bots leverage, we have a couple of different data series, bar types that we're trading on our ES bots. The one that you're looking at here is a 30 range. We also have some bots on the E-mini that look at an 8 Unarenko. An 8 Unarenko or a 30 range on the E-mini are the two bar types that we're using on the ES. We like to diversify not only the instruments that we're trading, but also the data series or bar types. In a big downtrend here ever since the market opened. Now the 20U retraced all the way back to our 50. You can see my wick touched the 50 and rolled off of it. The 50 is definitely an area of resistance in this case. Let's see if we get another short roll or we bounce through that 50 and start heading up. There goes gold to the upside. Here we go. We're right up into the 50. I'm keeping my eye on the 20 Unarenko here. If we can if we clear that 50 and start headed up there, look for some long entries on this 30 range. We're just breaking through it now. There we go. This could be the bounce we've been waiting on for the NQ. Maybe let's see what happens. Yeah, Rao. Yeah, I understood what you meant. The right line funding, we're going to be opening our prop firm very shortly. Here we go with the short roll. And Rao, to answer your question, we are. It's called sim funded, straight to funded, where you don't have to go through the evaluation. Boy, this is a beautiful short setup. Come on, I need this to get a roll to the short side here. Ah. All right, if you excuse me just for a moment, I'm just going to run to the restroom. Oh, wow, somebody's been trying to call it 8 times. Okay, excuse me for just a moment. Okay, we're back. All right, we're still short the E-mini here. And the NASDAQ looks like it kind of went sideways. I don't see any open positions here on our leaderboard. Gold is in another trade short. And the bots had a real field day on that move down. Put up some huge numbers. Huh. Here we go, another move down. Our IBOT 16U is in. Let's take a look at that trade. See if this market pushes lower. We're right into an area of support on both the E-mini and the NASDAQ. Trying to make a new low. It appears that it's, let's see, not quite at the low of the day. But it's headed towards it. Hey, Jim. We just switched you from the money flow tracker to this system. So, I'm just curious, did Charles set up your workspace for the AI Auto Trader yet? Because it is a completely separate workspace, yes. Once Charles gets you set up, I'd like to get together with you and just go over the workspace with you. Oh, okay, then we can get together. I'm going to email you my calendar if I didn't yesterday. Let me just make a note. Looks like we're in consolidation here on the Nasdaq. Maybe it's forming a bottom here. Trying to push down to make an even lower low. Here we go. Here we go. This trade on the 16U could go. One more push down. Oh, what a shame. It got our first target and bounced to stop us out. Let's go to the 24U. 24U's at 1145. Now we're getting a pop to the upside. We're in on the ES8U scalper. I bought ES4U. Let's take a look at that one. That's a really great strategy. Been doing very well. Haymaker's back in. Haymaker jumped in long. The Haymaker catches these moves very tight to the 50. That's this 30 range chart I'm referring to right here. The strategy's been red hot this week. Stop just locked in some profits. There's no risk on the trade now. We've got a free run at it. And we just need some follow through to the upside. We've got some really nice trade management abilities with these automated strategies. We can go for ambitious profit targets and at the same time lock in some nominal gains along the way. Really some significant gains. We can lock in profits 2 or 3 times through the move. It exited on the line change. My smart stop, actually it was a candlestick pattern recognition. There was a bullish engulfing candle. And it exited that position. Back in long on the haymaker. I flipped them today from March to June on the index equities, on the NASDAQ and the E-mini. We flipped the contracts today. If anybody's on the March contract on the NASDAQ or the E-mini, today would be a good day to switch it. The reason why we switched it today is because that's where the most volume is. We look at the daily volume between the March contract and the June contract, and the June contract had significantly more volume. So we went ahead and rolled them today. Well, I'd love to see gold go up for a home run now. Hey, Jorge. Oh, you're welcome. Listen, our methodology, we've got, a prop trading hack, I'm going to call it. We run it the first half hour of each trading session. And it's a trade that we look at the 30 range and the 20 Unirenko. I use it on my PA accounts with a tremendous amount of success. Today being no different. You can see across my PA accounts this morning, 18, 19, and 20. We look for 250, somewhere between $300 and $500 a day on the PA accounts. I'm trading 3 PA accounts, and the first half hour of each session, what we do is we take a trade on our 30 range when we have an alignment of trend on our 20 Unarenko. We don't take the trade on a discretionary basis. What we do is we time the automation to take the trade when we have market structure matching. Like right now, you see on my 30 range chart, that's this one here, price is above my 50 and my 15, which are both green. On my 20 Unarenko, price is now above my 50 and my 15, which are also green and sloped up. When we have a match in trend on these 2 time frames, we enable our trade copier between 9:35 and 10 o'clock, and we let it take a trade. And we've been doing it since January 27th on a daily basis every day. And we've got about I would say greater than an 80% win rate doing it. And this morning we kept the streak alive, and we're able to repeat that methodology and get it to score another winner. Today's leaderboard, we had some tremendous moves to the downside that the software really, these bots really lick their chops, and can't wait to get in those moves. And we had a number of them put some significant, tremendous, I should say, profits on the board. The 20U, this Mack truck drone is, I'm telling you this week, I know it's only Tuesday, but we're 2 for 2 this week on the PA accounts. Last week we were 5 for 5. I think the week before we were 4 for 5. But we're starting to really see some consistency. Let's take a quick look at that 20U Mack truck. Like the Haymaker, it's up big money. The Haymaker this week, we're up $5,000. Let's take a quick look at that Sim Mack truck drone. Look at this. It's up 8,000. This is trading one contract between yesterday and today on the 20 Unarenko. This bot is up $7,881. When does it do it? Let's look at a time analysis. We'll look at it at the half hour of the day on our entry times. And this is when it does it. This is by far, it loves the open. Surprise, surprise. That's the bot you want to trade right at the open. That first half hour of the day, it loves that burst of volatility. It doesn't get faked out on the whipsaw. It's a big bar. It's a 20 Unarenko. But when it finds that direction in the morning, it loves it. It's up $4,000 this week, trading between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. 7,800 if you add in the other times of the day. So these are really helpful tidbits of information. People always ask me, they say, hey, how do you select which bot to trade on your live account or your prop account? Well, that's how we do it. When we set you up, you have a separate SIM account for each and every one of the bots and drones. And the reason we do that is so you can look at these metrics on your trade performance. And if you specify a time frame that you want to look back on, you can get some very good information, especially on this analysis, as to the time of the day of the week, the month of the year. You can break it down and get a lot of different useful tidbits of information that will help you make an informed decision, a data-driven decision. We try to make our decisions based on the data. We're not going to go with our gut. We're going to go with what the numbers say is the best way to go. And that performance metric in NinjaTrader is an extremely powerful and useful tool in our decision-making process as to which bot to trade. To get to that trade performance on your control center, you would come to New and go to Trade Performance. And when you click on Trade Performance, this is going to come up, and you'll specify a date range at the top right of how far back you want to look. I always like for these bots the what have you done for me latelys. They're very streaky. I always weigh in more historical performance, which weighs in also on my decision making, but I think even stronger is the what have you done for me lately? What have you done this week? If you did good last week or last month, well, thank you. We're very grateful. But now, what have you done for me today or this week? That becomes the most important factor determining which bot to trade on our live account. So, man, we had some great ones to choose from today. The iBot and the AI bots put up some really significant numbers. Did all of our bots win? No. It's important to know I'm not saying all of our bots won. If I scroll to the bottom, you'll see the losing bots. These are the ones that lost. These are the ones that we stay away from in our decision-making process. We stick with the winners. Yeah, mobile. I would say, that analyzing which bots to trade each day is a key component of your success when trading these bots. Now, we do have for our members that have been following us for any amount of time, for over the last few months, at the market open, we have a go-to strategy that I've been using, that I've been teaching for the last few months. That isn't really so much a game of which one. It's more of a game of, are these two time frames aligning? And if so, then we enable our copier and we trade the same bot every day. That doesn't change. If I was going to set it and forget it, then yeah, it becomes a game of doing my homework and an analysis of the top performing bots. Now we have other members like Robert, who has an ES30 range, that's trading the E-mini, and he has already made up his mind that that's the bot he's going to trade every day, and it's up over $50,000 on his computer. So we do have some bots that are providing our members with some significant profits. The trade copier that I'm using is from Affordable Indicators. There's also a really good tool out of Replicanto, out of Flowbots. Affordable Indicators has the same one I'm using. And a lot of our members use Replicanto Flowbots, Replicanto. I must say that I'm pleased with the one I've been using. I had a few issues in the beginning. I was able to get with the developer of that trade copier, and he made some updates, and I haven't had an issue with it in months. In fact, I'm very happy with it now. And it's from Affordable Indicators. A lot of our members, most of our members use Replicanto, and I haven't heard anything bad. I think most people are very happy with that one as well. Rao, I'm going to talk to Mark about that. I'm going to send you an email now with a special for you. Our legacy clients, we're offering a really significant discount on the iBots. All right, let's close out by watching this last trade. I'm in one on gold. Let's see if we can get a runner here to close the day. Gold is trading at 3,038 an ounce. I'm ready to take my chain to the pawn shop. Just kidding. Oh, that's a lot of money for some gold, ain't it? $3,000 an ounce. We got Mr. David Wise right behind me. He's going to be trading the SPY super system. He's coming up next. He's going to leverage the signals to trade options. And man, is he good at it. He's a leader in the Reddit community. His name in Reddit is One Wise, and he's published several articles for that community of traders. Gifted, very talented, gifted trader. And that's the end. The gold stopped out. So I want to thank everybody. If you would, please, 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 like my video on YouTube. It gives us some traction, gets some new eyes on our products and services, helps us out as a business. And please, if you would, like our video. I'm about to sign off, but I want to invite you back tomorrow. We're going to do it again. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow. And let's see if we can keep this winning streak alive. Man, we're on a big one. Let me pull up my performance and show you these PA accounts. Thank you. Show you these PA accounts. Judy, you're welcome. Let me show you where we're at. Let's go from February 1st to today. Let me show you the win streak what we're currently on. Something's checked. Let's uncheck this one. So we're at 0. And let's put on the PA accounts. And this is the summary. From February 1st, we're at $16,800. If we look at the analysis and we look at the equity curve, let's put it on a weekly and a cumulative. And you can see a beautiful equity curve straight up to just under $17,000. So trading these bots, the iBot, the AI, on my PA accounts, we're up just under $17,000, $16,813 after commissions. So we're really, I don't want to jinx myself, but the streak continues. And come back and join me tomorrow to see if we could keep the good times rolling. We'll be back at 9:15, God willing. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Have a great lunch, everybody. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you, Dr. Hanson. Jim, I'm going to send you an email now with my calendar. Jorge, gracias, mi hermano. Good to see you, my friend. See if I can find my Calendly. Don't forget, David Wise is coming up right behind me. And I'll tell you, even if you're not an options trader, he focuses on the SPY. And you could take those SPY super trades right on the ES. 90% win rate. Oh. Sorry about that. All right, everybody, I'm going to sign off. Have a great day, everybody. See if we're in anything worth watching. Nope. We hit our profit goal of the day. We're done. Have a good one.